Sick of get-rich-quick scams? Me too. Today I'm giving you the real no-nonsense guide to making money online in 2025. Forget the hype. This is about proven strategies that work if you're willing to put in the effort. I've tested, failed, and succeeded so you don't have to waste time. I'll break down 5 powerful ways to earn online step by step. No fluff, just what you need to start and scale your income. Ready to stop dreaming and start doing? Let's dive in. And if you're serious, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more real talk. The fastest way to make your first dollar online? Freelancing. If you can write, design, edit videos, or manage social media, someone will pay you for it. Start by creating a standout profile on Upwork or Fiverr. Use a professional photo, a clear bio, and a small portfolio, even if you have to do a couple of free projects to build it. When you're new, focus on getting reviews, not getting rich. Apply for small gigs, over-deliver, and communicate like a pro. That first 5-star review is gold. Once you have a few, raise your rates and niche down. Become the go-to expert for something specific. Specialists earn more and attract better clients. At first, you might make $10, $20 an hour, but with consistency and great reviews, $50 plus is realistic in a few months. Some top freelancers make hundreds per hour by dominating their niche. Treat every project like it's your reputation on the line. Communicate clearly, set realistic deadlines, and don't be afraid to turn down bad fits. Personalize every proposal. Mention the client's name, reference their project, and explain how you'll solve their problem. Most people spam generic pitches. You'll stand out by caring. Build your own platform too. A simple website or LinkedIn profile showcasing your work. This helps you attract clients directly and avoid platform fees. The hardest part is getting started and landing those first few clients, but every project and review builds momentum. Freelancing isn't passive, but it's reliable and scalable. Here's your action plan. 1. Identify your best skill. 1. Create a killer profile on Upwork or Fiverr. 1. Build a small portfolio, even if it's free work. 1. Apply for gigs, over-deliver, and rack up reviews. 1. Niche down and raise your rates as you grow. Don't overthink it, just start. Your first step is creating that profile today. The journey begins with action. Every dollar you earn is proof you can do this. Keep building, keep learning, and soon you'll have a real online income. Remember, reputation is everything. Be reliable, be professional, and the clients will come. Don't get discouraged by slow starts. Everyone begins at zero. The more you put in, the more you get out. Freelancing is your launch pad to bigger things. Take that first step now. Your future self will thank you. Ready? Go create your profile and start earning. The online world is waiting for your skills. Let's get you paid. Next up, how to earn while you sleep. Sleep. That's where affiliate marketing shines. You promote products with your unique link. When someone buys, you get paid. No inventory, no customer service, just smart recommendations. The key, pick a niche you care about. Passion builds trust, and trust gets clicks. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Share a Sale. Then create valuable content, blog posts, YouTube videos, TikToks, helping your audience solve real problems. For example, review the best budget espresso machines or compare top fitness apps. Be honest, share pros and cons. People respect transparency. Always disclose your affiliate links. It's the law and builds credibility. At first, you might earn just a few bucks. Most people quit here. But affiliate marketing is a long game. Your content keeps earning for years. As your audience grows, so do your commissions. Build an email list to deepen your connection and boost sales. Focus on one platform at first. Master it before expanding. Think about your audience's journey. They search for a solution, find your helpful content, and click your link. You solve their problem and get paid. Action plan 1. Choose a niche you love. 1. Join relevant affiliate programs. 1. Pick one content platform and create genuinely helpful content. 1. Be transparent and honest in your recommendations. 1. Be patient. This is a marathon, not a sprint. The feeling of waking up to passive income? Unbeatable. Start today and let your content work for you. Remember, value first, sales second. Build trust and the money will follow. Don't chase every shiny object. Focus and grow. Affiliate marketing can change your life if you stick with it. Ready to earn while you sleep? Let's move on to monetizing your passion. Let's turn your knowledge or passion into a business through online courses or content creation. If you're even a few steps ahead of others, you can teach and get paid. Start by picking a specific topic you love. Niche is better. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or Teachable handle the tech. You just create the course. Or start a YouTube channel or blog and monetize with ads, sponsorships, and eventually your own products. On YouTube, consistency is key. Post regularly and focus on quality. Your first 100 subscribers will be tough, but every video is a digital asset that can pay you for years. Once you're monetized, ad revenue is just the start. Brands will pay for sponsorships and your own course can bring in serious income. Outline your course, break it into bite-sized lessons, and use simple gear. A phone and good lighting are enough. People pay for results, not fancy production. The beauty, create once, sell forever. Margins are huge, and your workload doesn't increase with more sales. Build a community, engage with your audience, and keep providing value. When you launch your own product, you'll have a loyal audience ready to buy. Action plan 1. Pick your expert subject. 1. Choose your platform. YouTube is great for long-term growth. 1. Commit to a consistent posting schedule. 1. Engage with your community. 1. Once you have an audience, launch your own digital product. There's no ceiling to your earnings with this model. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your passion become profit. Ready to build your brand? Next. E-commerce has made more online millionaires than almost anything else. The easiest way to start? Drop shipping. You set up a Shopify store, list products, and when someone buys, your supplier ships it directly to them. No inventory, no shipping headaches. Your job? Find trending, problem-solving products. Use Google Trends, TikTok, or AliExpress for ideas. Build a professional-looking store with great photos and clear descriptions. Marketing is everything. Run video ads on TikTok, Facebook, or Instagram to get your first sales. Be ready to invest in ads. This isn't a free business model. Test different products, ads, and audiences. Kill what doesn't work, scale what does. Example, buy a product for $10, sell for $30. After ads and costs, your profit might be $5 per sale. The goal is to lower ad costs and increase profit. Once you find a winner, scale your ad spend and expand your product line. Build a brand, not just a one-product store. Upsell related items to boost profits. Customer service matters. Be upfront about shipping times and respond quickly to questions. Happy customers mean repeat business and good reviews. Action plan 1. Research and pick a trending product. 1. Build your Shopify store. 1. Create compelling video ads. 1. Test and invest in ads until you find a winner. 1. Scale up and focus on branding and service. E-commerce is fast-paced and risky, but the rewards can be huge. Ready to build your store? Let's talk about building true wealth. The ultimate goal? Make your money work for you through investing. This isn't a get-rich-quick play. It's about long-term, consistent growth. Start with dividend stocks. Buy shares in solid companies, earn payouts, and reinvest for compounding returns. Or try real estate crowdfunding. Platforms like Fundrise let you invest small amounts in big properties and earn passive income. Crypto is high risk, high reward. Staking lets you earn more coins, but only invest what you can afford to lose. Rule 1. Never invest more than you can lose, especially in volatile markets. Don't panic when markets dip. Investing is about staying the course. Educate yourself before you invest. Read, watch, and learn. Start small. Fractional shares or minimum investments are fine. Build the habit of investing regularly, even if it's just $50 a month. Diversify, mix stocks, real estate, and maybe a little crypto. Be patient. Wealth builds over years, not days. Action plan 1. Learn about your options. 1. Decide your risk tolerance. 1. Open an account and start small. 1. Invest consistently and automate if possible. 1. Diversify and play the long game. Use your online income to build real wealth for your future. Now let's wrap it up and get you started. There you have it, 5 real ways to make money online in 2025. Every success story started with